Digitally sign your PDF documents using your DSC token completely offline with full control and security. To begin, select Digital Signature DSC mode to enable DSC based signing. Choose Single File to sign one document at a time, or select Folder to sign multiple PDF files in one go. Click Browse and select the PDF file you want to sign. Once signed, the file will be automatically saved in the same folder with _signed added to the file name. Select your digital certificate from the list. If it's not visible, click Refresh to load your DSC token. Choose a predefined position for your signature or use Pick on PDF to place it exactly where required. Select whether to sign the first page or all pages automatically. Click Sign PDF and enter your DSC token PIN to proceed. Your document is now successfully signed and saved automatically. You can verify that the signature is valid and appears exactly on the selected pages. PDFSign gives you a fast, secure, and completely offline way to sign documents using your DSC.